Good day to all. We are Group 5 from Engineering Statistics class ENG 3004. Today we'll be presenting our survey topic, which is analysis of academic performance when taking university subjects. Through this project, we have applied various statistical methods and techniques to collect, analyze, and interpret data, providing valuable insight to our chosen topics. Before we go even further, let me first introduce me and my teammates. Me, myself, is Deepan Kesavan. My matrix number is 223336. And Donald Sylvester, matrix number 225519. And Lukman Al Hakim, matrix number 223858. Next, I'm going to talk about the objective of the report that we've done. In universities, subjects that are provided can be divided into two categories, which are core subjects and university subjects. Students are given freedom to take university subjects at any time during the student's period of study, which could be anywhere in between 4 to 5 years of study years depending on their course. A student could take a university subject earlier in the first year of studies or could take it in the last year of their studies. Based on a study done by William Parker in his studies regarding taking university subject, it has its own advantage and disadvantage. So our main objective for this report is to analyze and compare academic performance and overall satisfaction of local and international students based on when the university subjects are taken in their early years versus university subjects that are taken in their late years of study. Of course, before doing a survey, we need to have a hypothesis of what the result could be. In this survey, we targeted both genders, males and females, international and local students who are studying in UPM, and first year students all the way to final year students who are studying in UPM as well. The first hypothesis that we made is female students who take a subject first have a better academic performance compared to a male student. Second hypothesis that we made is an international students who take a subject first have a better academic performance compared to a local student who take it last. And the last hypothesis that we made is first year students who take a university subject first have a better academic performance compared to a final year student who is taking a university subject. Methodology is a critical aspect of any research project as it ensures that the data collected is valid, reliable, and applicable to the research question or the hypothesis that is being studied. Conducting a survey can be approached through various methods depending on the target audience, resources, and objectives. For this project, the method that we use is online platform by using Google Forms. We did a survey for 121 students, which consists of 61 male and 60 female, and we did a data analysis of the survey that we collected through descriptive statistics and one-sided t-test, which is t-hypothesis testing.
Hello, my name is Donald Sylvester, and today I'm going to proceed to present about this survey for our report based on our respondent distribution. So for the figure showing the number of respondents for 25 each for 4 sets and 21 for the last set. For the result and discussion for university subjects timing, we found that the first semester students, most of them took the university subject in their first year. And also we found that for the final semester student, most of them have a negative view about final semester enrollment. So it shows a big difference between who took the first subject on their first year and also who took the subject on their final year. For the grades, student in the first semester, most of them get a good grade, which is A and also A plus. And for the final year students, also final semester, most of them did not receive conventional grade. Among those graded, only few receive A or B grades. For GPA, the biggest majority of 73.6 of the CGPA between 4.0 till 3.5 have the highest majority, and the next majority who gets the CGPA between 3.49 till 3.0, which has the percentage of 24%, and the least percentage of the CGPA is 2.99 till 2.5 with the percentage of 2.5. And for the study hours, we found that majority 77.7% study less than 5 hours per week, and it shows that the university subjects is not very important to them because they have more time to focus other subject as well. So it shows a big difference in our survey report. And for the subject difficulty, for the first semester student, they found it very easy. And for the final semester student, they found it very, very difficult to achieve their grades. And for the engagement of this university subject between the first semester student and also the final semester student, we found that the first semester student, they felt more engaged or actively involved, whereas the final semester student, they felt disengaged or neutral about this university subject.
So hi, my name is Luqman Hakim Abdul Rahim, and I will proceed about hypothesis testing gender for data analysis. So what we get here is gender comparison, which is a null hypothesis say that female students have better academic performance than male student. But for alternative hypothesis, there is no significant difference in academic performance between female and male student. So I proceed with uh, hypothesis testing gender. We will compare with hypothesis testing and also descriptive testing. So the interpretation of result that we got is the p-value 0.898 is greater than the common significant level of 0.05, indicating the null hypothesis is accepted where female student perform better than male student. For hypothesis testing for international versus local, null hypothesis get it. International student have a better academic performance than local student. And for alternative hypothesis, there is no significant difference in academic between international and local student. Next is the interpretation of result between hypothesis testing and also descriptive testing, which is the p-value 0.506 is greater than 0.05, suggesting that the null hypothesis is accepted where international students perform well when take university subjects earlier than local students. And year of study for null hypothesis, first year students have better academic performance taking university subject earlier compared to final year student. And for alternative hypothesis, there's no statistically significant difference in academic performance between first year and final year student. Next is interpretation of result between hypothesis testing and also descriptive testing on year of student or year of study. The p-value 0.539 is greater than 0.05, implying that null hypothesis is accepted, where first-year students who take university subject first have higher academic performance than final year students. So, for the conclusion that can we made from our survey is early enrollment in university subjects positively impacts a certain student CGPA. Therefore, strategic academic planning is crucial for managing workload and achieving better academic outcomes for their future. So, before I end my presentation, this is our reference that we use to complete our survey and also our report. There are a few reference that we take note here. That's all from us. Thank you for listening.